Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this granny square bookcase. This is so easy to make even if you are a beginner. So let's see what you will need. You will need scissors, a crochet hook that matches your yarn, a tapestry needle, and any type of yarn you like in 2 colors. First make a slip knot and chain 4. Then make a slip stitch into the very first chain. Now make chain 4, which count as a double crochet stitch, and then make 2 double crochets into the circle, giving you a total of 3 double crochets with the chain 4. Now chain 1 and make 3 double crochets again, and repeat this 2 more times. So at the end you should have 4 sets of 3 double crochets in total. After you've done your last 3 double crochets, chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. Now make a chain 1 and cut your yarn. Grab your second color and make a slip knot. Then insert your hook into any chain 1 space and attach your yarn. Chain 2, which count as a stitch, and make 2 double crochets into the same chain 1 space. Chain 1 again and make 3 double crochets into the same space. Now make 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1 and make 3 double crochets into the same space. And repeat these 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets into the same chain 1 space all the way around. After you finish all around, make a slip stitch into the top of the chain 2. and make chain 1 and cut your yarn. So this is how we make granny squares for our project. So here's the size of my granny square. The number of granny squares you need depends on the size of your book and the type of yarn you use. So first measure your book, then make a few granny squares and adjust the number until it fits your book. For my book I needed 15 granny squares for one side, but your number can be different. Make the granny squares in a 2-color pattern. Use color A in the center and color B for the next round, and then color B in the center and color A for the next round. Now you have to assemble the granny squares in this color order. So here's how I'm doing it. I pass the yarn to the back loops only of both squares like this. So here's how you should do it. Join all the granny squares together like this. For one side of my book I used 5 granny squares vertically and 3 horizontally, and that fits my book. You need to decide how many squares you need for your book, and you have to make 2 of these panels, one for each side. After you assemble your 2 panels, grab any color you like from color A or B. Make a slip knot and attach it to one corner of one panel. We are going to make a few rows of double crochet. After you attach your yarn, chain 2, which count as a stitch, and make a double crochet into the next stitch. Then double crochet in each stitch alone until you reach the next corner. Chain 2 again and turn your work. Now make 1 double crochet in each stitch again. You keep making double crochet stitch in every stitch row after row until the piece reaches half the size of your granny square piece. I made 8 rows. After you are done, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now you have to join both panels together. Save them using a tapestry needle in the area I indicated in this picture, the same way you join the granny squares. Now the final part is making the tie cord. Grab your yarn, make a slip knot and attach it to the middle stitch of your work. Then chain any number until it can wrap around your book cover. Next, make another granny square. I made mine with double crochet in the first round and single crochet in the second round to make it smaller than the regular ones. Attach it and then make a slip stitch in every chain stitch along. After you're done, make a slip stitch into the middle stitch again where you began and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So that's it. Now all you have to do is hide your yarn tails and your project is complete. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end and I'll bring you another tutorial next week.